Hello, dear traders, you're watching Traders Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Недачина. On Thursday and Friday, we are to see the following macroeconomic releases. Thus, the Bank of England will announce its January interest rate decision. Markets are pretty quiet, expecting no significant changes and forecasting the key interest rate at the level of 0.5%. At its December meeting, the Bank of England also left the benchmark interest rate unchanged. The Central Bank of the United Kingdom said that the Monetary Policy Committee voted to maintain the bank rate at a historic low of 0.5% and keep the size of the bond purchase program at £375 billion. Central banks all over the world are combating low inflation, and the Bank of England is no exception despite fairly rapid growth of the UK's economy. Weak inflation reduces the likelihood of higher interest rates in the foreseeable future. Moreover, the National Bureau of Statistics of China will disclose its December Consumer Price Index report. According to experts, consumer prices have grown by 1.5% on a yearly basis in the reporting period. China's annual consumer inflation eased to a 5-year low of 1.4% in November from 1.6% in October. Weakening inflation takes place amid overall slowdown in the Chinese economy. In the third quarter, China's GDP grew by 7.3% in 2014, hitting the lowest level in the past 5 years. On Friday afternoon, the United States will release its unemployment and non-farm employment data for December. Analysts forecast that the U.S. economy has added 241,000 new jobs and the unemployment rate is at the level of 5.7%. Last November, the U.S. employment increased at a faster than expected pace. Meanwhile, total non-farm payrolls employment rose by 321,000 versus expectations for a 213,000 increase. September and October numbers were also revised higher, with the employment gains combined being 45,000 more than previously reported. Despite a greater job growth than expected, unemployment in November was unchanged from the previous months, remaining at the level of 5.8%. In addition, the following market movers will be released in the later half of the week. On Thursday, in Australia, building approvals report will be out, and the US will unveil its jobless claims data. On Friday, Australia will provide its retail sales figures. Germany will release its industrial production and trade balance data. The UK will unveil its manufacturing output data, and in Canada, jobless rate and employment reports will see the light of day. On Saturday, China's trade balance report will be released. It was Economic Calendar with me, Kate Недачина. Have a nice trading with ИнстаФорекс.